everyone. Yes, today I have to do my do-it-yourself or DIY work on my car. It's been a long time. I didn't change my air filter, which is located on the engine side. And this is Mitsubishi Outlander 2070, and I can see and I can feel there's a little bit of hardship on the engine. Probably, maybe one of the suspects, probably the air filter is clogged up, or maybe it's full of dust. So this is a simple thing. I don't want to bring it to the shop. If I can do it, I'll do it. So watch this video, a simple tutorial, and anybody can do it as long as you have the filter, the air filter that matches whatever the filter you have. It's easy. It will not take too long, maybe 15 minutes the most. Okay, you need a simple tools. So watch this video up to the end. Very simple. The only tools that you need is only this ratchet with a socket of 10 mm, and the only thing that you need to loosen up so that it's easier for you to remove the filter. The filter box is here, and that's all. And there's a bolt here. I loosened up already, and there you go. Just make it sure. Put the bolt easy accessible, and remove this here connecting to your air intake. Remove these two locking device, and that's it. The filter box is here. You can, there you go. This is on the intake side, and this goes to your engine side. So it's right time. Have to make it sure the filter is the same. See the difference? See? And this on the side. And this is on the intake side, and this goes to your engine side, or that goes to your, or serving the throttle button. Insert it. Make it. And I will have to. That's all. And then I have to close the bag. I need to make this fit. Okay? As soon as you're done, clip it, and you're done. Very simple. So I'll realign it properly, and then I will show you the outcome or the final finish of my repair or my replacement for the air filter. Okay? Filter is in place already, and what you need is just to close. Work this down the two clips, and I have to tighten the bolt. And you need a number 10 socket. The work is done. Alright, you need only number 10 socket. That's all you need for this kind of work. Air filter. My friends, thank you for watching. So my air filter replacement is done. As simple as that. part of my tune-up, I already changed the air filter, right? So I just removed the 2 bolts already, and you need only number 10 socket also. So as part of my tune-up, will be replacing of the spark plug. I just want to show to you, I already removed the terminal, and I try how hard it is, but it looks like it's not so hard. So the shop is charging me almost $300, which is not in the dealer's price because they're charging like $120 an hour, but it looks like I can do it. So just to minimize the cost on my side, my next project will be replacing of the spark plug, which is, I said, you need a special socket, which is I need to use number 16 millimeter spark plug socket, and that's all you need. And probably the one that will cost a lot, maybe the OEM spark plug, which you need to buy from the dealer, or I might use the NGK. So I need to get the serial number or the model number of the spark plug, or I might go to the dealer itself, because last time I asked them, it looked like it will cost like $100 or $120. So my next project will be replacing of the spark plug as part of the tune-up of my vehicle, so that it will run smoothly. So wait a while, and next time I'll remove the spark plug, I'll make a video again. So you don't need to remove the whole cover, but you only need to remove the portion of it. So I just want to save. If I can do it, I do it myself. If I have the space to work on, I have to do it myself, because the cost of the labor in the shop, it's $120. Hang on tight, and I will show you next time I replace the spark plug. As always, thank you again, and God bless us all. Goodbye.